Hi, good day. This is Rowling Sargadillos from the University of the Philippines, Visayas. Today, I would like to share to you our research titled Polycyclic Aromatic Hydrocarbons Profile of Microplastics Contaminated Smoked Bali Sardinella, Sardinella lemuru, and the Potential Food Safety Risks. The aim of the study is to determine the levels of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons in the microplastics contaminated smoked sardines and the potential food safety risks associated with its consumption. The method include collection of sardines from Estancia Iloilo, Philippines, followed by preparation and spiking of microplastics to the positive controls, determination of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons using U.S. Environmental Protection Agency Method 625, risk estimation, and statistical analysis. The key findings of the study include higher concentration of total polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons from microplastic spiked smoked sardines than the unspiked smoked sardines. Naphthalene and its derivatives such as 1-methylnaphthalene and 2-methylnaphthalene are detected from microplastic spiked smoked sardines, but were not found in unspiked smoked sardines, indicating the effect of smoking process on the release of hazardous compounds and could potentially increase polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon levels at higher concentration of microplastic contamination. Risk estimation revealed serious health risks, but may still be regarded as low risk as the estimation assumed that at 11 grams per day consumption of smoked fish, it consists solely of smoked sardines, which is extremely unlikely. Thank you.